Y'all, is it too late to plant onions in late November? Let's find out. Hey y'all, welcome back to Arthur Atlas Homestead. I'm Bree and I am late to the party. Well, I'm late and early to the party because these onions not going to be harvested until 2025. And the reason why I'm late to the party because I was indecisive if I wanted to grow onions this year. And you're supposed to plant the onions in mid-October. And here it is, mid-November. So I got my beds together and now I have to get some dirt. And I'm getting some duck soil. Duck soil is only just duck manure and soil mixed together. If you haven't already watched my video on 5 reasons why I love ducks, I explain more about duck manure in that video. So y'all, if y'all haven't noticed, I got little helpers helping me and I'm so glad because bending over in that duck cage was really hurting. So we have a little strategy going. He is breaking up the soil inside the cage and we are scraping it into another shovel and we're going to put it in the wheelbarrow to haul to the garden beds. Y'all, it was so many roots in there, they was getting in our way. And they were slowing up the process. And here's my son bringing the wheelbarrow to the garden bed. That dirt actually looks really good. It's so fluffy, y'all. So we're going to take these buckets and fill it up. And we're going to pour it in the garden bed. Okay, we got it almost filled up. We're just spreading it around. I'm so glad they came out and helped me this day. They were a big help.
If it's love we're talking, you ain't really fronting. You do the walk and talk the talk, but drop it. Pull me back, you left me there, I'm falling.
Alright y'all, we got the garden bed filled up. My son is taking the wheelbarrow back and I thank both of them for their help. I really do appreciate them. Alright, let's make rows and plant the bulbs. Now I was told that you're supposed to give a little space in between each bulb, so hopefully I'm giving them enough space. It's like 3 inches apart, 3 or 4 inches apart, so maybe that's enough. We'll see. And I don't know if I told y'all in the video earlier, but the variety of an onion that I'm planting is Vidalia. They're a sweet variety onion with a mild flavor, and their shape would be a flat shape. Since I got done planting the Vidalia onions a little early, thanks to the kids, I thought I would plant some daffodil bulbs for springtime. Now, you always plant these spring bulbs in fall. I'm planting these bulbs in used tires that's around the greenhouse. Hopefully they come up in the springtime. I think they will look really beautiful around the greenhouse. Alright guys, we are at the ending of this video. Thank you guys for watching and I'll see you in the next video.